itself. So your well-being is based off how whole you are. So if you have a strong well-being, that means that it's covering all the elements of wellness: intellectual, spiritual, mental, physical, emotional, social, occupational. All that encompasses the whole. So your well-being is going to be based off of the elements of wellness. That goes back to the roots of the issues that you deal with as you came into your own being. Your own being the things that you've been through in life, the experiences, there may be some trauma, maybe some things that you had follow you throughout you growing into who you are. That ultimately affects your subconscious, and it gets locked into that database, and you create your self-image and your self-concept based off of those experiences. So your well-being is based off those elements of wellness and you feeling like you're whole, or a false sense of you feeling like you're whole, because you built your self-image and concept off of past traumas and things that affected your being.